Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna follow Ethereum today on the 4-hour chart and of course on the micro level, following of course the price where it's gonna lead us. And we have a wave 1 still of course as a potential bullish scenario in case it's going to unfold somewhere from here. So we have a wave 1, we have a correction as a wave A, B, and a C is unfolding as an impulse, clear impulse towards the downside as a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 towards lower prices. Now currently this wave 5 is still unfolding on the 1-hour chart, as you can see after the triangle that we got over there. So we got an A, B, C, D, and an E there. And then we start to unfold something towards the downside. The wave E, even, I would say, even the triangle can be finished honestly there as a wave E here. After, of course, looking at the structure here, it can be very likely that you have already unfolded a wave 1, 2 here, and then you're pushing for a wave 3 downward. And that means, of course, this wave 1, 2, let's zoom in, this 1, 2 there after the wave E can be somehow, yeah, I mean, it's hard to call it, but it's still possible. If we dive inside it on the 50-minute chart, it can be double 1, 2 here. And then potentially the wave 2 there, it was very long, but I doubt it a little bit. I know it's not easy to consider it like this, like double 1, 2, and wave 1 here again, A, B, and a C for wave 2, and then wave 3, but still a possibility. Yeah? So we can be in double 1, 2 here, and then pushing for lower because we didn't took the low there, the high, sorry. That means, of course, the double 1, 2 can still be working there. Yeah. Unless, of course, the wave E has finished there and we start in double 1, 2. But I doubt it somehow. I see this already a part of the impulse downward that it might be unfolding. In any case scenario, if we have a 1, 2 there, so let me take this as a potential wave 1, wave 2 there, and we're looking for 3, 4, and a 5 anyway. So if this is a case scenario, I'm gonna put this in the magenta. We have after it the wave 3 in double 1, 2. Wave 3, 4, and a 5 is still expecting 4 and a 5 to finish, of course, a wave 3 there in the magenta. Then we're gonna see and estimate the situation, and I believe yes, we're gonna need the 4, 5 here to take, of course, the low. Yeah, because therefore we need those double 1, 2 internally to continue a little bit lower here. So we are able to take the low, because with this shallow double 1, 2 here, I doubt that we might take the low. We need, of course, this large structure here to finish a 4 and a 5 there, and by taking the low. Now, interesting thing is that if the wave 5 finish up here exactly at this level, and before taking the 886, that would be great, because it would be, of course, a signal of strength still, pushing for lower without taking the 886 at the $1,600. If this happens, it might preserve, of course, a wave 2 there finished, and it might still look for higher. However, if we take the price here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, you will see that the wave 5 has to reach this area normally as per Fib. Now, of course, normally it can finish a structure by taking the low, meaning finishing an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as we saw on the micro level. But of course, we have to be careful. As per the Fib level, it might point around, of course, this area, meaning breaking the 886. And potentially taking a new low, yeah. So we might be to a very close new low there, which is, of course, around here, the 1,382. By taking the new low, definitely we're moving here in an ABC structure, meaning this impulse is not an impulse anymore. It's a WX and a Y, 3 waves, and that means 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this is an expanding flat, definitely unfolding over there. And if you remember, of course, with our daily analysis yesterday, we have mentioned we might need, of course, on the daily here, we might need to finish a W an X and a wave Y. Your wave Y is this expanding flat unfolding here. It might still reach, of course, this area 1100 and 860. Possibility is there, of course, in case we are going to dive in an impulse just like that. To finish, of course, ABC expanding flat in a wave Y, and W, X, and a wave Y, and then we start a bull run there for Ethereum. Yep, so very critical. I know it's very critical level that we are right now in Ethereum. We are at the 0.786, this green line that you are looking at right now. This is the last chance, of course, to push for higher in case we are looking for a bull run here. And then taking the 886 even reduce the possibility much more higher. And of course, by taking this area, can preserve it, maybe pushing in something as diagonals, wave 2 or something like this. Wave 2 is allowed to take the 886 as diagonal, but it reduces the possibility for an impulse. Yeah. And therefore, of course, if we break this area, definitely the new low is calling there, and we're pushing, of course, impulsively still toward the downside for the 1K and around it. Yeah, for Ethereum, that will be very low. Yep, so this is regarding Ethereum for this Elliott Wave analysis regarding the KGT as well. You can see clearly the signals are very bearish. We have invalidation of the bullish. Then yes, of course, we're pushing for a lower there for Ethereum on the 3-minute time frame. And also if we take a look at the 1-minute time frame as well, we see, of course, still looking for invalidation as well, potentially here. Bearish. Yeah, it is invalidated. Yes. So definitely we're looking for lower over there still for Ethereum. A lot of bearish pressure, bearish signal, invalidation for bullish. Yeah, so very clear. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.